Thank you guys for joining us for another one of our fun art lessons. Today we are making recycled sun catchers out of plastic. Now you can use plastic from, we used plastic from muffin containers or from croissant containers, baked goods. You can also use laminate sheets. So if you have a laminator, just run a laminate sheet through it and you can create these really fun sun catchers on them as well if you do not have any clear plastic to recycle. Now we prefer to use colored glue. You can purchase colored glue like black glue, or you can make it yourself by using some Elmer's glue and mixing in some acrylic paint. My girls wanted to do this with purple, so we created the outline for the heart and then started creating some cool designs inside of the heart. It can be a little difficult to make sure that you don't squeeze out too much glue, and if you do squeeze out too much glue, the lines can get pretty flooded and a little messy. So make sure to reiterate to your kids that they'll want to squeeze lightly on the glue bottle. You'll have to let it dry for several hours, and our purple glue actually turned out pretty dark, almost black. And we are using alcohol ink markers. You can use Sharpies as well. Those are perfect for this project. And we're just gonna fill in our squares now. And this gives it the effect of stained glass. So when you use glue, you cannot see through that area, but you can see through the areas that you're coloring in with your Sharpies or alcohol ink markers. If you do not have colored glue, you can definitely still create this using black Sharpies and colored Sharpies. We'll show you in a minute how that turns out. Now you will be able to see through the black areas, so it doesn't exactly look like stained glass in that manner, but when you don't have certain products, it's something that you can do. Here's an example of how it turns out if you use black marker instead of glue. So as you can tell, you can sort of see through the black marker, but it still looks pretty cool. And now my daughters are going to show you how they are going to create their sun catchers. One on the right is a heart sun catcher, and then on the left she's going to create an earth for Earth Day. And once those are colored in, you'll just take a pair of scissors and cut around the outside of the sun catcher. It doesn't have to be perfect when it is cut because it's clear plastic, so it's going to be pretty difficult to see if the cuts are not perfect around it. So encourage your kids to cut it out themselves. It gives them some really good practice on those fine motor skills. And once you have it cut out, you'll want to take a hole puncher and punch a hole at the top of the sun catcher. And then choose any fun color of string to string through it, and you can stick these sun catchers up on your windows with some tape. Doesn't that look amazing? These were so simple and so fun to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this project. Please be sure to share with us on social media how they turned out.